Nebraskaland's a big partner of Kahler's. We've done several projects together. So when Ty brought the idea of putting this shed together, we sat down and we decided, what are things that you have to have? What are you looking for? One of his biggest was usability and efficiency. So we put a system together that would allow one person to operate the whole shed from the cab of the loader and still load out at the capacity that they needed. I think we've accomplished that. Talking to their staff here today, I think that we've accomplished exactly what the scope was. So when we were developing that scope, FLEXCOMMAND is a system that was pretty new. So we decided to put it in this facility. What FLEXCOMMAND gives them is it gives them the ability to operate it from the iPad. It also eliminates wire error. So our old systems, every time you had an air solenoid, you had to run a wire to the air solenoid. Now you just run one wire to the whole panel. So you could have 15 different solenoids in there that are running off of one wire as opposed to 15 different wires. Also, where it makes a big difference, if you're familiar with Kahler's older systems, there's panels all over the wall in the office. Now the only thing that's got to be in there is a computer, not even the operator, because he can operate it from the iPad. Really just need a computer to be the headquarters for it.
My name's Nick, and I manage the dry fertilizer operations for Nebraskaland Aviation. Before we got our new facility, we ran out of a 600-ton, 8-product storage building with a 13-ton vertical blender, and a guy can keep up pretty decent with that, but not having the capacity to store all of that product like we can here at Iron Horse now is a huge benefit for us, because we can just run and we can just basically load out and just focus on that rather than focus on bringing product in and out at the same time. With this system here, being able to run it off the iPad instead of jumping in and out of the loader and going into the office, I can basically run loads, fire all of the equipment up, blenders, tell it where to go into the overheads, or load out direct, and I can still keeping the hoppers full while I'm making up all the blends and everything. In and out load times are basically half compared to what we used to do. And that's, real huge for us. We were caught up on all of our dry needs as of April 15th, which is very unheard of for us this time of year. Usually we're just going full for at least a month and a half, 2 months straight. So yes, it's changed our dry fertilizer completely.